Hi everyone, today I am looking at inverse operations and this is algebra for year 5 students. Inverse operations are generally talking about reversing the effect that is shown, or in other words the opposite. For example, the opposite of a plus is a minus and the opposite of a minus is a plus. Same as with the multiplication, the opposite of that is a division and the opposite of a division is a multiplication. So let's work with what we have now. We have now reached example number 3 in our series on inverse operations, and today we are looking at something slightly longer. This is normally what you'd see in year 5 and year 6 level. So let's look at what we have here. We have got y times 3 plus 2 equals to 14. As you can see, it is longer, as I said. The first thing that stands out is there are two whole numbers. So we've got plus 2 and we've got 14. We need to move this around so that we have one whole number. So we are going to leave the y times 3 as it is for now, since there's only one multiplication that we have. So here we've got y times 3 equals. We need to group the whole numbers together. The number 14 will stay where it is on the right hand side of the equal sign. We are now going to move the plus 2. From our rule, we know that if we are inverting a plus, it will become a minus. So this plus 2, when it moves, it will become minus 2. Now 14 minus 2 gives us 12. So y times 3 equals 12. In the second step, we've got y times 3 equals 12, which is what we had worked out in step number 1. Now we need to solve for y. So what we're going to do here is we are going to leave y on the left hand side. Now we are going to inverse operation of the multiplication. So the 12 will remain where it is now, and this times 3, we are taking it on the right hand side of the equal sign. Remember, the inverse of a multiplication is a division. So instead of times 3, we will say divided by 3. So now 12 divided by 3, that will give us 4. So y equals to 4.